We're here in Paulsboro, New Jersey on the banks of the Delaware River. Right to our left, just south of Fort Billings Park, which is the town park in Paulsboro, is the old Exxon tank farm and terminal. Exxon operated this facility for many years. We're here because Exxon has entered into a settlement agreement with the state of New Jersey under the Christie administration to basically dumb down a lawsuit that was brought by the state a few years back and has been in negotiation for some time to force Exxon to basically step up and pay for the damage that it's done to natural resources here in New Jersey from its various refining and oil facility operations. The main subject of the lawsuit that was brought was in the Bayway facility and refineries in northeastern New Jersey. When the settlement was announced, all of a sudden, Paulsboro facilities were thrown in. This is totally unfair. Paulsboro has suffered tremendously in terms of groundwater pollution, soil pollution, from the legacy of the pollution that Exxon has left here. People have experienced health effects. The long-term environmental impacts are indelible, and yet Exxon wants to get out of paying and being the responsible party that repairs the damage that has been done to the natural resources. This also affects the Delaware River and the waters of the Delaware River and drinking water for the entire region. So the facilities here that Exxon operated through drip, drip, drip and through major releases has added pollution to the community here in Paulsboro, and yet they're going to get a drop in the bucket, if anything at all, out of this settlement when they should be getting at least $81 million and more than that to start to restore some of the resources that have been damaged here in Paulsboro.
The public comment time is going to expire in a week or so. What steps will be taken after that?
Well, the public comment will close next Friday, and then there will be a decision made by New Jersey DEP about whether or not to accept this settlement. They have to take into account the public comment that is being submitted. People are really screaming about this settlement and calling foul because Exxon was supposed to fess up about $9 billion, and it's been reduced down to a $225 million settlement. It's ridiculous. This is one of the richest corporations in the world. They are number 2 on the Fortune 500 list in 2014 for revenue, for profits. And in terms of revenue, they're second only to Walmart today. So we are talking about the richest oil company in the nation and one of the largest corporations in the world, and they can't pay what they owe the people of Paulsboro, the people who drink water from the Delaware River, and all of the communities in New Jersey that have suffered the damages to their natural resources that Exxon has caused. It's a shame, and we feel that, and I think the public is making it very clear that DEP will take these comments into account when they make their decision.